Please log into your account by entering your email address and password. From the top right corner of the web page, click Account Information. In the left-hand menu, select RMA, then click New Request for Return. Under Order, use the drop-down menu to choose the order you'd like to return, then click View Order. Select the items you wish to return, and fill in the necessary details in each section, including the return reason and any additional comments. In the Upload section, you can add a photo of the defective or incorrect item. Once everything is complete, click Submit Request to finish. Once your request is received, our team is notified and begins the review process. You'll hear from us directly as soon as a decision is made, whether it's been approved, denied, or if we need a bit more information to proceed. We aim to get back to you as quickly as possible, but please allow up to 10 business days for a full review. We appreciate your business, and we're here to help every step of the way.